In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table Notion tutorial. Notion has two types of tables, and the method you use depends on which one you're working with. First, let's look at a regular blank table. This is a simple grid without database features like filters, sorts, or properties. To copy it, drag across the cells you want so they're highlighted, then copy. Head to the place where you want the copy to live. Click into the block or cell where it should start, and paste. Notion will insert a matching grid and keep the layout and basic formatting. Headers come along too. This is quick for small data sets or notes you want to reuse. If the paste doesn't look right, click into an empty line before pasting. So Notion creates a fresh table block rather than merging into an existing block. Now, database tables are different. They're full-fledged databases with properties, filters, sorts, and multiple views. To copy a database table, hover your mouse over the top left corner until you see the drag handle appear. Click that handle to open the menu, then choose Duplicate. Notion creates an exact duplicate, including all data, properties, and views. Next, select the duplicate, choose Move, and pick the page or space where you want it to live. This keeps the entire structure intact while placing the database exactly where you need it. If you're organizing a workspace, moving the duplicate to the right page keeps everything tidy and easy to find. A couple of quick pointers as you work. Duplicating preserves content and settings, so filters and sorts in your views will match the original. If your goal is a clean starting point, you can clear entries later without changing the original. If the database has relations or formulas, those are copied as well, which makes duplication a reliable way to create templates for recurring projects. And for best results, make sure you have edit permissions on the destination page so you can move the duplicate without any hiccups. That's all there is to it. Copy regular tables by selecting and pasting, and duplicate database tables using the drag handle, then move it to the right location. With these two approaches, you can quickly reuse your tables and keep your workspace consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Notion!